If you want to learn this soft glam eye makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this concealer from LA Girl and I'm applying it all over my eyelids. This will hide the imperfections and redness under your skin. And once everything is blended, I'm going on with this James Charles palette and using this lighter nude tone shade and applying it all over my eyelids. This will give a smooth base for the eyeshadow and your blending will be easier. Next, I'm going on with this dark orange shade and I'm applying it on my eyelids and just focusing on the lids and not going further upward. I'm blending with a small brush, and next I'm going on with this deep brown shade and I'm applying in my inner corners as well as my outer corner. I'm applying a little amount of the product and slowly building the color. Make sure that you use a small blending brush while applying this. Then I use this shade to apply it on the center of my eyelid and I use my fingers so that it gives me more pigment. Then to create that dark effect, I again go on with this dark brown shadow and blend everything out. I'm grabbing this big fluffy brush to create a seamless effect. I go on with this Benefit eyeliner and I create a thin eyeliner. I'm using a small amount of the product first and then gradually building this color. To smoke out my lower lashes, I go on with the same dark brown shade and I apply it on my inner corner and outer corner and leave the middle part. Then again I go on with this shade and I apply in the middle of my lower lashes. Next I'm going on with this Cezanne mascara and I apply on my upper and lower lashes. Make sure that it's coated evenly. And this is the final eye makeup look. If you guys learned something from this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.